Sound test. Sound test. Sound test. So this is Sound Test, where we use audio editing to give the average listener some understanding of the different types of hearing loss and hearing issues. We've already recorded a bunch of episodes of the podcast, and I realize that I've been avoiding detailed talk about my own hearing issues as someone with terrible hearing and who also happens to be a musician-songwriter. I figure the best way to do this is to just rip off the proverbial Band-Aid and start by giving you a chance to get into my head and hear the way I hear when I'm not wearing my hearing aid. Ready? Here it is. I have a non-functioning right ear and severe hearing loss in my left, and through audio editing, I can EQ the sounds you're hearing to match the results of my most recent hearing test with Dr. Grome. Did you get that? Here it is again. I have a non-functioning right ear and severe hearing loss in my left, and through audio editing, I can EQ the sounds you're hearing to match the results of my most recent hearing test with Dr. Grome. Here's more talking, just in general.
Especially when there's true cotton fibers in there. That's always the kicker. It's I use a Q-tip, and I'm like, well,
so now you can take pictures.
Cotton in your ear.
Yeah, you can take pictures and show them now, right? You've got the.
And this is how water running in my kitchen sink sounds. And this is how it sounds when I'm walking my dog through the neighborhood. And this is how it sounds when I play my piano. And this is all when I'm not wearing my hearing aid. So yeah, pretty bad. And even I can't deny the invaluable benefit that modern hearing technology provides. In fact, I'm continually amazed at the things today's hearing aids and devices can do, and obviously I couldn't live without them. So that's not the only issue I have. In Anatomy of Hearing Part 2, I'm going to edit to let you hear my intonation issues, so stick around for that fun. That's it for this episode. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to flip the EQs back and forth on the outro music just to drive you crazy. Don't burn those cochlear hairs, y'all. Take care. Whoa.